Kaupapa Māori isn't something new. Kaupapa Māori is probably as old as we are as Māori people. Indeed, today we're sitting in the whare of Ngā Tūmanako on the marae of Hoani Waititi, which is in fact the site of Aotearoa's first kura kaupapa Māori.
He wahine hu Māori, he wahine nā kau nui, ki nā kaupapa o te ao Māori, o tira ki te ao mātairana.
So it's about having an understanding, I guess, of the genesis of kaupapa Māori simply being about being Māori. It's about the values that we hold on to as Māori within whānau, hapu and iwi.
As a kaupapa Māori person, and not just a researcher, but someone who lives kaupapa Māori, she understands ako, she understands that relationship between teacher and student.
Most of the work that I'm engaged in now is with both Native and Indigenous scholars who are studying at the highest level, who are studying for their doctoral degrees. So applying kaupapa Māori and indeed the notion of ako at that level of study is really exciting, and we're seeing some fantastic results from that.
Sometimes you meet people that it could be their job, it could be something that they do 9 to 5, but it's very much her way of being. And she is committed to supporting us, particularly around teaching and around our research pathway, supporting it so that we can do it well.
Kia noho whakaiti, e hara i te mea ko koe te tohunga, e hara i te mea ko te kaia ko te mea mōhio ki ngā mea katoa, engari ki e ko te kaia ko te mea e tae ana te noho me te whakarongo. Whakarongo ki ngā whakaaro a ngā tauira.
It's a really challenging, ongoing, enduring journey for you and your whānau. So that listening to awhi, to manaaki, to tautoko, really are ways in which she conducts herself.
You know, I want them to feel, taste and enjoy what it is to excel at the highest level in tertiary education, but I want them to feel, taste and have that without having to step aside from being Māori. So it's about achieving absolute academic excellence whilst maintaining your cultural integrity, your cultural identity and everything that's important to you about being Māori. Koina tētahi mea whakahirahira ki au, ki a ko ngā tauira, ki te hikoi a Māori nei peki.